Hi, I'm Mike from 3D-MOM, and in this video I will show you how the tagging works. Let's start with an example. I'm adding a new archive with a single model in it. I open the archive, and before I even add the models, I can here select tags that already exist, and each of the models that I add with this archive will have these tags pre-selected. So this model, this archive is from Bite the Bullet, and it will already add the category tags for the creator. And it's from 2002. Ember. And it's an elemental. So now I'm adding the model itself. And now we go to the editable models. And takes sometimes a bit of time. You can also force it to save the tags by clicking on this button here. So now it has it. And if we go over this button, you can see the tags it has. Here the categories won't be displayed. So if we now want to add new tags, for example, it's in the collection of the December release are the elementals. So let's add a collection elementals. And we could add a synonym. Synonym is, for example, if there are different writings of a word, like Gryphon and Griffin. And if you search by one of these names, you will always find this tag and the models who have this tag. Or, for example, you can also add the plural as a synonym. Say the tag name is blade. You could add blades as a synonym. And you can add a description. In the description you can add images, PNG files, or you can add links. And now let's add a link. Here we are on the My Mini Factory page of this release. And we want to add to this tag of the elementals a link to this release. So I click add a link, and here the Google page is the default page. And I now copied the link from My Mini Factory and paste it now here. And here what now This link will be the part we will see on the page, on the detail page from the model browser. So I write my Minifactory link, and we don't, this tag doesn't need to have subtags. So I disable this. This category means that you don't want to search for this. You won't be able to search for this tag. For example, the tag gender is a category, because if you want to, because normally you don't want to look for the tag gender, you only want to look for the subtag female or male. And the order, there are two kinds of orders. The higher the number, the more on top is the tag. For example, if I put 99,000 here, then on the detail page it will be on the first position. The second one is the same, only for the descriptions of the tags. I will show you the descriptions later. And if you have zeros, if you put in a 0, then it will just order them alphabetically. So now we have here the elementals tag, and it doesn't have a plus because we said it doesn't need subtags. We also have another model from Bite the Bullet, which is a part of the elementals collection. So if we select here multiple models, you will also see them here for better visualization. And if you check one of the tags, they will be added or removed from all of them. So if I finalize now a model, you also can add here a tag distinctive for this model. So the name of the tag will be the name of the model. And here you can also add links, images, and also if you drag and drop one of the files here, you will have a direct link to a file. So, and also make a personal message test to free. So now it is finalized, but for finalized models we still can change tags, add tags, remove tags, but the rendering is finished. I mean, this time we didn't render it, we only added an poster substitute, but it's finished. And if we now start the browser, you will see here the model. You can search for the elementals tag we added. And you will see here the categories in gray at the beginning, and then our tags. And in the brackets, you see the synonyms. And if you click on the description, you will see the the bullet has already before we started, it has an image with a link on it, which goes to the Patreon site. I have to verify that I'm not the bot. And the My Mini Factory link we added later. And now I would have to log in because it's a different browser. And if you click on this button on the side, edit the text, you can also correct something. For example, let's say it's also an ooze. And now we have here already the tag. Okay, thanks for listening.